What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. And today, scene might look a little bit different for you guys, but Victorville Harley Davidson is throwing a demo day. So we got the big old demo truck out, and this is probably one of the nicest Harley Davidson dealers I've been to. And look wise, inside looks great, outside looks great. It's the customer service that I've had, even just coming here to get shirts, pulling up on my Indian. I've never had an issue with these guys, and they're just all around really nice people. Not saying all the other Harleys are bad, dealers are bad. This is just the one I've had the best experience at. So when they were throwing the demo truck and I'm watching all the videos, I knew I had to come here and ride some of these bikes. Now the first one I got to ride is this 114 Road King Special. This is a gorgeous bike, and it's probably my favorite Harley Davidson that they have out right now. The FXDR is a fun, like, holy shit bike, but this bike just looks like it's ready to hit the road and it wants my ass planted in the seat. So I definitely can't complain about that. Now granted, that new Street Glide with the 117 in front of me is calling my name. But for a no speaker, no fairing bike, which I do tend to like a lot, even though I do want a fairing for some traveling, this bike is super comfortable. It's got a really nice lean. Hopefully the lean angle matches up what it feels like, because it feels great. Feels like I can come out here and I can dance on these back roads, through the curves. It felt great on the freeway. You know, I have no complaints about this bike, and you know, I'll throw all the stats up because, like I said, I'm not a stat guy. I'm a feel guy, which I know a lot of people say that, but when people ask me how this bike feels, I'm going to tell them. I'm not going to read it off a piece of paper. Like, you know, you can go on harleydavidson.com if you wanted to look at that. But that being said, this is a comfortable ass bike. The only thing I can notice is it's got a gear indicator along with the mileage, fuel. Still getting used to those turn signals again. You got your normal switches, you know, all normal stuff. But before I get done on this first demo ride, I really want to say that for everybody who's like Indian versus Harley, I'm not. I'm motorcyclist. I don't give a shit what it is. Now my only usual preference, I like V-twins. I do like American V-twins more than anything else, but that's just my look. Because the Kawasaki Vulcan, the new classics that are out, that's a gorgeous looking bike. We saw some of those recently, and Nikki has the Vulcan 650 Bombshell, and that bike is just so much fun. Hell, the only reason we're even talking about getting rid of it is so she can get an Indian Scout, because she loves the bobber and she'd like to have a Scout. But that's for a later date. So stop being judgmental, get out and ride something, doesn't matter what it is. And that's where my Stay Classy line comes from, right? Alright guys, so I'm gonna get off here because we're heading back to the dealer, but I want to say stay safe, stay classy.